Hi guys. I'm Dinesh Kumar, GUVI from GUVI, Zen Data Science batch, DTM2 batch. I completed my Zen Data Science course recently, so I'm getting to placement preparation bootcamp now. The course is very effectively they conducted. Really, I'm very glad to tell about that because they clear more doubt clarification than any others. The mentors are very effectively helpful to you. Really, I'm very happy to tell you about this because the roadmap is too long. They will support you whenever you want. Give me the mail. They will along with you, so you don't feel anything like any connection burn like anything. So this is a good thing I feel about. And then really, the mentors are very good to explain whatever you want. They take more time to explain you. They never ever get some mind exhausted because how many times you get about thing, you get them also. They will be there to tell what you want. So what a doubt of you. So they will be definitely clarify you. And then about preparation bootcamp, placement preparation bootcamp. I recently completed my Zen Data Science DTM2 batch. So now I'm going to preparation bootcamp. There are many classes to be there attended. They give many lot of classes to get more along with the career. So I'm very glad to tell about this. Definitely, the coming days, I'm definitely going to be a data analyst in MNC and uh, startup company. Definitely, GUI can be place me them. So I'm very glad to tell that definitely going to be placed a data analyst through GUI. They definitely coincided with us, and they definitely make my career very long. I'm very thanks to GUI. Very thanks. Long thanks. Thank you so much, GUI.